Okay.
It's flooding. Our whole driveway is filled with water. So this is what I said. We moved all of the plants from there into there. What?
Let's do it.
Let's go. We have our boots on. Cool.
Oh! It's been such a long time since I waded in the flood.
I see.
Maybe probably the last time I did it, I was still really small. Oh, it feels really. It's like your feet are in like some kind of refrigerator.
Wow. Well, there's a boat there. Let's go to the boat. It's much more deeper over there, near the gate.
Let's go there later. Although I can't really go to a very high level because my boots aren't that high.
Until there. There's a dog there. Let's sit on the boat. I cannot sit on the boat. The water is too shallow. Although it's floating.
It's like because the water is cool, but it's not wet. Because you're like in enclosed, your feet are enclosed in the boots. But since the water is like kind of cold, it like gives that chilly feeling.
This is actually so cool, as you can see. It's like boots fixed with pants. It's like a jumper, actually.
It's so fat on you.
Hold.
You look so big.
I look like Mario.
A very fat Mario.
Yeah. Now this water is in your boots.
No, just on my knee. You better not splash some in my boots.
I feel like the worst part of this is when water gets in your boots and then you feel this sticky, icky, wicky feeling.
Look, there's some weird.
There's so much trash floating.
What's that?
Oh wow, what's this? What is this? It's so
Oh,
weird.
it's the fruit of
Oh yes. It's floating. Okay. Look at this. There's a styrofoam floating. Oh, there's even a cardboard. So much dirty trash. Don't.
Oh wow.
It's really dirty.
Looks like fish.
Yeah, it smells like dead fish. It doesn't just smell like fish. It smells like those rotten fish. In the
Probably from the lake. Probably
Yeah.
it also overflowed. That's why it's also flooding even though it's not raining.
Yep. It's a good thing they didn't cut the electricity off.
But that would be probably one of the worst things that could happen.
Yes.
It's not so deep, it just covers your whole foot. So we'll have to use that thing there.
The boat.
Yep.
That'll be cool. We're going to be riding a boat. So you might be wondering, why are we flooded? Well, when continuous typhoons come to Laguna and dams would get easily filled with water, they would have no choice but to dump it into the Laguna Lake, and then water overflows, and the next thing we know is BAM! There is water in our house. Sit on the other side of the boat. Are you sitting down? Oh man! Whoop! Whoa! Whoop! Whoa! We're shaking. Look at the waves. Crash. Ta-da! You're too far. And not the surprise. Okay. Wait. You could hear the bass. Oh, there's air coming out. There's air coming out of this hole. Cool. What do we have for lunch? Leftover. Some people say that if you put leftover food in glass containers like these, they become tastier. Oh. Compared to putting them in plastic containers. Clean up after use. Okay. You're not a cat. Sister and I haven't been able to upload a sibling rivalry video or any challenge videos because we are kind of busy. Well, here's the point. My sister has a different schedule with my schedule. And when we shoot challenge videos, we shoot it together. And the problem is, most of the times, she's free and I'm busy. And then if I'm free, she's busy. Don't worry, we'll still upload challenge videos starting... It's boat ride time!
My goodness.
Whoa!
You're making this boat sink.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Okay, whoa! Okay, let's go?
I don't know why, but I have a feeling that it's you.
I'm too heavy. Okay, I'm getting off. I'm pushing you! Hold it! Hold! Oh my goodness. You just crashed the boat. You also don't have space here. So she doesn't still know how to steer the boat well. Let's hit this other boat. Oh no, no, no. Reverse, reverse. Okay, wait, whoa. Okay, I'm on the boat. You better paddle well. Okay, there we go. We're on into adventure. There, just keep paddling. There we go. Finally, smooth sailing. It's like we're like paddling through the romantic rivers of Venice.
A few minutes later.
Okay, this is not romantic. We're crashing. Come on, control it. Okay. Paddle now, paddle forward. Whoa!
Passano sul mar le gondole, placide fra i sogni d'oro, l'amore ci avvincerà. Venezia, la luna e tu.